Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, Beauty by Megan. If you're new here, hi, I'm Megan. So, I'm just going to get straight to the point. I'm going to use this palette. I've already done another look. I don't know which video is going to go up first, so yeah. But I really love this. This is the Morphe 35i Icy Fantasy palette. And specifically, this palette's so big. I'm going to use this purple. Okay, so if you guys like these kind of videos, just quick makeup tutorials, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell if you want to see more videos in the future from me, and Alright you guys, so that's the final look. I was very unsure at first about this lip, but I like it a lot. I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of feeling a little goopy though, because the Kylie lipsticks are wonderful at staying on, but I guess where I put that lip gloss on top before it dried down fully, it's feeling a little goopy like inside my lip. But that's okay because I'm just gonna wash this off and go to bed. But yeah, I love this palette. This is, I mean, yes, it's a pastel palette. It's very icy, very pretty. But you also get this beautiful range of dark shades down here. And even like these colors right here are very pigmented. So if you enjoyed these videos, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, please. I am trying hard to get more subscribers. And let me tell you, it's hard. It's very hard. I don't have a very bubbly personality, I don't think. I'm kind of awkward. So if you like awkward people doing their makeup, I mean, I'm the perfect person to subscribe to. If not, well, fine.